Give your garden and outdoor living spaces a shot of steady, season-long color by planting marigolds. In order for your marigolds to be ready for planting outdoors in the spring, you will need to start growing marigolds from seed indoors about 50 to 60 days before the last frost date. Marigold seeds are long, slender, sharp, and pointy, dark-colored on one end, and light-colored on the other. Pull them away from the base and discard the base. Start with a plastic pot filled with damp soil. The potting mix and sprinkle the marigold seeds over the potting mix. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Water them well to moisten the seeds. Cover the pot with clear plastic wrap and place it in a warm location to germinate the seeds. Marigolds will take 3 to 4 days to germinate, but may take a few days longer if the location is cooler. Remove the plastic once seedlings emerge and move them to an area with bright, indirect light. Although marigolds thrive in full sun, seedlings sunburn easily on a sunny windowsill. Gradually expose them to more sun each day. Don't forget to label your pot. Happy gardening!